Hey there, my name is Christy and I'm one of the founding members of Rapid Screening Centers, and just wanted to reach out to you today, talk to you a little bit about some of the common misconceptions about DNA paternity testing. The first one that's most common is that people think that you need an actual blood sample for the paternity test, which is untrue. Thankfully, nowadays all you need is a Q-tip, basically swab of the inside of your mouth. And then use this quick swab and they send it in and the lab processes the samples. So that's very quick and simple. Second misconception is that you actually need to go into a hospital. That is untrue unless you need an actual legal DNA paternity test. If you are in a custody battle or if you need this for any sort of legal circumstance, then you do need to go to either a hospital or a lawyer's office to get this test done. If you're just wanting to know, just for peace of mind, then we could send you an actual kit that you can actually process in your own home, or actually collect the samples in your own home. The processing is still done in the lab. The collection is done with the Q-tips, very simple, swab, and then you send it into the lab for processing. The third misconception is that the test results take a long time. Some test results will take a long time. If you're doing an ancestry test, those take a long time. Those could take up to a month. But now, if you send in your samples, they're received by the lab, and they start processing. It takes about 2 to 3 business days to get those results back. And it's a very simple process. It returns very quickly, and they're extremely accurate nowadays. So very quick and easy process. The process has been simplified over the years, and so just wanted to send that out there for people who are concerned or a little bit leery about the blood sample. So anyway, just signing off right now. Looking forward to commenting and sending some more information out there. And if you have any questions, certainly let us know and comment down below. Thank you so much.